This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening your document and getting Read Aloud ready. Once the file is open, click the small arrow on the Quick Access toolbar and choose More Commands. In the dialog, pick All Commands, find Read Aloud or Speak, add it, and confirm. This places the tool at the top so you avoid menus each time, making it one-click speeds repetition and testing. Once done, you're ready to pick Voice and Pace in the next step. Click the Read Aloud button to begin, then open the voice options, usually a speaker icon with 3 dots. You can choose a voice and move the speed slider faster or slower. Choose slower for dense text. Make sure your system voices are installed if you need different accents. Then select a paragraph or press play to read from the cursor. This helps you proof for pacing, pronunciation, and emphasis. Once satisfied, you can export audio. To produce an audio file, play Read Aloud while recording system audio with a capture tool. Make sure output device is correct. If Read Aloud doesn't appear, update Office and check Windows settings time and language speech to install voices. You can also restart Word or reset the Quick Access toolbar if the command vanished. If audio stutters, lower playback speed or close heavy apps. These fixes address CPU or driver conflicts quickly so you can finish the narration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.